Hey my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? I am doing a wig lookbook for 2020, and I really hope y'all enjoy my top 5 favorite wigs of the year of 2020, because y'all know it's coming to an end, and I just hope y'all enjoy my lookbook. And y'all can see that I was feeling myself. So, you know, when you get dressed up, when you get all dolled up and put on your wig and put on your makeup, you know, you feel like a whole new person. But anyways, y'all, thanks for watching.
Everybody shake your baby. Everybody shake your baby. Kick. Hey, hey, hey. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.